For today's entree, we recommend preparing this quick and easy deep-fried white cheese. Cut up the ham in tiny bits. Cut the bologna into tiny bits as well. Cut the parsley leaves. Take the white cheese and cut it into rectangles. Crack and mix 2 eggs. Take your cheese and dip it in flour and the eggs right after. Dip the cheese in breadcrumbs. Fry the ham in a preheated pan. Once the ham starts frying, add the bologna and crushed walnuts. Add mixed spices and salt. Add pepper. Add sour cream. Add 70 milliliters of wates. Add the parsley and mix. In a preheated pan, start deep frying the cheese. Take a plate and decorate it with lettuce leaves. Put your deep-fried cheese over the lettuce. Decorate with pieces of lemon and red peppers. Add the sauce alongside the cheese. The estimated time you'd need to prepare this dish is about 30 minutes. Bon appetit!